So we unfortunately couldn't afford our storage unit anymore. So
previously on Cannacity Hustles.
It's a long, complicated story, but anyway, it was too large of a unit for us to just take home with us, so we had to get a unit that we could rent and have a place to store the stuff until we were ready to sort it and go through the inventory and sell it and all that good stuff. So anyway, we are here today to sort through some of that stuff. This was a crazy, wild ride of a unit. I might tell you all about it later, but there was drama. The old owner trying to buy their unit back. Problems with the storage facility. It's just been a wild and crazy ride. But anyway, enough with that. Let's get started. If you like these kind of videos and you're wanting to see more, then make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell so that you know when we are going to record again. And I hope you like this new journey with us. So from Jimmy and I, hello, welcome, and let's go get started. All 30 feet is boxes. Unfortunately, most of what we have found in this unit so far has been freaking clothes. This is a 10 by 30, and as you can see, it is filled to the brim. When we first put the stuff in here, it was nice and organized, and then we ran out of room and things just started getting thrown in. So we're gonna go through some boxes today and we'll see what we're gonna find. Find drugs in every unit, that's what they say. Alright, what else do we have in here? Ooh, a box of some sort. Ooh. Let's see what's in the box.
Yikes, found a shank.
Made a little sign for our little pop-up sale. This is the other side of retailing, guys. That when there's not enough action going on online, sometimes you have to turn it into a garage sale. Hi guys, long time no see. So things have been crazy, and sorry we have not made a video in a while. But today things have just been nuts. So anyway, today we're actually working on the drama unit. So we're not done with the Hector Collector unit yet, but we'll get back to that. So anyway, let's just go ahead and see what the boys are up to. We actually have some help today, Jimmy's friend Corey, and we're trying to take everything home because we need to get rid of this unit. So anyway, let's go check in with the guys. Okay, hi Mitch.
Hello, how are you?
Good. This is Jimmy's friend Corey.
What?
Thank you so much for helping us today, since Jimmy broke his hand.
You can't tell. It's fine.
He's supposed to be in a cast, but he's not.
Oh, come on. I've got 4 of them.
Okay, so this is what is in the drama unit. It is literally all drama unit except for the couch, which was from the safety unit, I think, yeah.
Next time somebody see, this something right here that could go into our store very easily.
Yeah.
Or you could go ahead and contact us today and find out how to get it. Anyone who says I'm not graceful.
Be careful.
I'm the primary climber in this.
Be very careful. This is going to be a big job. I don't know how all of this is going to fit.
We're miracle workers.
Okay guys, we'll check back in with you later. Okay, so the truck and the trailer and Corey's truck are all completely full. So we're going to go make our first trip, and we did get quite a bit in here, but there's still a lot to go. So I'll update you again a little bit later. Okay guys, so this is the garage. It is just stuffed to the brim. We have a little bit more space on the shelving unit, and then I guess we can just start filling up the rest of the aisle here. Look at this. We just, you know, part of this business is when sales are not going so well, finances don't go so well. So we unfortunately couldn't afford our storage unit anymore. So anyway, we have to use our garage now, but I don't know how we're gonna fit it all in here. I really don't. There's still a little bit of boxes left, which we probably can make room for, but there's like a bunch of furniture, and Mama C is going to graciously, thank goodness, store some at her house, some of the furniture, but I don't know how much she's gonna be able to get in there. Anyway, this is like all of our units combined now, other than what's at the store and what's still at the unit that needs to come here. This is like, oh gosh, what do we have now? 12 units? 13 units? I can't even remember anymore. But all of this is the drama unit. So, if I can manage to keep my sanity, which has been a struggle lately, because this is a really difficult business and it's not as easy as it appears on YouTube or TV or anything else. So I'm just telling you the honest truth. Don't get into this thinking this is an easy thing, because there's a lot to store and it takes up a lot of space, and that costs money if you can't move the inventory fast enough, which we have not been able to. It's been costing us more money to store it than we'll probably get out of it at this point. So yeah, we've got to do something fast, but hopefully the store will start moving product for us. But anyway, if I keep my sanity, sorry I got distracted, I will video us going through all of these mystery boxes, so definitely stay tuned for that. Okay, sorry. Let's end this on a positive note. Yeah, okay. So thank you for watching, and we would love it and be so honored if you would subscribe and hit the bell so that you know when we upload again. Let's see. Just thank you so much for watching and supporting us, and we're up to 73 subscribers so far, and I'm so grateful. We all are so grateful. So thank you for supporting our family and hanging in there with us. And I know not all of the videos are fabulously exciting, but not every box is fabulously exciting, so you get it. But anyway, we're trying, so thank you so much for watching our videos and supporting us. We really appreciate it. So I hope you guys are having a great night, and we're exhausted, so we didn't get it all done tonight, but we will finish tomorrow, and then I'll show you the rest. Okay, bye.
Arr!
Howdy, pirates.